Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's Kenisha the Gardening Mama here and crew. And today we will be baking chocolate chips cookies. Okay, so our first thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be adding, here we have a cup of brown sugar and half cup of white sugar, and we're going to be adding it. That's the first thing. All right. Next thing, we are going to be adding 4 tablespoons of butter, and this is at room temperature. Let's get it all out. And next, we're going to be adding the shortening. Yeah. And now we're just going to cream the mixture. We're looking for a smooth finish. That's what we're going to be doing now. Got to get everything, guys. So we're going to add the eggs. Now we have the sugar and the butter and shortening all cream. Now we're going to add the eggs. So go ahead, add one first. Okay, let's get this in. All right.
In there.
Then we're going to be adding the vanilla.
Okay.
Yes. Hold the spoon. Hold the spoon. There you go. All right. Then salt.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add the chocolate chip cookie. This is what the batter looks like. Really
That's
soft
chocolate cookie.
and nice. Let's go ahead and add the chocolate chip cookie, guys.
Okay.
All right, good job.
I have it in there.
Let's just mix it in. You wanna mix it in?
Yeah.
And then Stevie will go next. Mix it in. Want to be nice and yummy. Lots and lots of chocolate chips. And guys, now we're just going to go ahead and add our batter to, we have the oven preheated at 350 degrees, and we're going to add the batter to the cookie sheet for 10 minutes. So here you have it, guys. The batter is ready. and we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. All right, let's go. The cookies are ready, guys, and we're gonna have a go at it. So this is what it looks like. Ready to taste? Still a little warm. Mmm. Mmm. How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.